Welcome back to Candy's Art World. I'm Candy, and today I'm going to try this engraving art kit from Royal and Langnickel. I found this at Five Below. It was $5. You can see right there. It has 4 8x10 projects in it. I've never done this kind of, it's like scratch art. I've seen other people do it, but I've never done it. There's what it looks like 5 different pictures, or 4 different pictures. A tiger, a panda, a parrot, and a couple of whales. It says it comes with an engraving guide, 4 practice pieces, 2 scrapers. I'm excited to give this a try. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. I've had good luck with the brand Royal and Langnickel. Everything I've gotten from that brand, even in the Five Below store, it's still been pretty good stuff. They taped it closed pretty well, so hopefully none of the pieces are missing. Okay, I guess it's all in this one bag. Oh, this is nice. It's a resealable bag, so... Oh, this is actually outside the bag. It's just stuck to it. So you can pull out the one that you're wanting to do and put the rest back in the bag, so that way they don't accidentally get scratched. And it does, it has a little, you can see the picture of each one on there. I think I want to start with the tiger. It looks like it might have got a couple of little scratches on it already. And here's the instructions. And here's the little practice pieces. I'll take one of those and put the rest of these back in the bag. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna do it this way instead. Ah, well. That off to the side. They are kind of bowed a little bit. I don't know if that's because of the material that's on it. Maybe it'll flatten out while we're working on it. Okay. The directions. Experiment with different techniques using your practice board. Create fine lines and details with the point of the tool and broader strokes using the side. Begin at the top of your board and work your way down. Prevent fingertips from being left on the board by placing a sheet of paper underneath your hand. While working on your picture, brush off excess scrapings with a damp cloth. Okay, so I think I will use this sheet of paper to protect it while I'm working. But first we're gonna see what kind of scrapes we get with the tools. I don't know if these are the same tool or different. To my eye, they look like they are the same tool. Oop, there we go. So we'll just see how thin I can get it with just the tip. Very. And then the side you can get thicker scrapes. Let's see. Let's see if I got right. Hey, that's pretty cool. I wrote my name. Alrighty. So then it says you start at the top of your piece and use the paper to protect the rest of it. And I think you just go over the spots where they have marked. I will probably end up kind of speeding through this because it's going to be fun to do, but you probably don't want to spend hours watching it. I will be back at the end to let you know how I feel about this. Okay, so I got finished with this piece, and I mean, it was fun. It took about an hour, maybe hour and a half to do it. It was fun, and if you follow the lines that's on there, you're going to end up with a finished piece that you could say, hey, look what I made. It's a fun thing. It would be kind of fun to get a piece that doesn't have a design and design your own thing too. They probably have some somewhere. The problem is it still stayed bowed even though I spent time pushing it down. But if you plan on framing it or whatever, I think if you use double-sided tape and put it on the back of the frame, it would probably hold it down. If you happen to do a fabulous job and you wanted to frame it, I think it's actually pretty cool looking. It's shiny. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Have a great day.